time to go check out Kentucky Adventure Tour. The S Tree Recreation Area. Woo! Oh, there it was. You can make it. I'm not sure I'd turn around and go back. It's like a little bridge. Wow, this is awesome. My trail is run out. I can hear it leaking. Welcome back, adventure seekers. Thanks for riding along with me. I'm Jay with Local Route ADV, and today we got a special treat. I am taking the CRF 450 RL to Kentucky to hit some hard sections on the g.o.a.t. I'm really looking forward to this trip because this will be the first time I'm actually filming a travel video with this bike. We're going to Kentucky to ride stuff I've never seen before. Got a little bit of rain, so it might be a little muddy. Kind of just getting a run down here what I can haul on this bike. I want to get a feel how hard this trail is compared to, you know, how much weight I can haul on the bike. We got 2 days. I should have said that's my birthday this weekend too. We are going to ride about 89 miles day one and about 110 miles day two. We're going to do hard 2, hard 3 day 1, and we're going to do hard 4 and 5 on day 2. I'm sure we'll end up doing some detouring. It's March of all months, so we got warm weather, but that doesn't mean the ground is ready just yet. It's probably not the wisest move to head out in spring in an area you don't know, but I do have the little bike, so that could be a plus. So gear up, everybody, let's go for a ride.
Welcome back, adventure seekers. Thanks for riding along with me. I surely hope at the end of our journey, maybe you will make your own local route ATV.
Well, would you check this place out? It is gorgeous here. No houses around, tucked back in this little holler. Beautiful stream out beside it. Just a nice little cabin. Just walking on this ground, I'm sinking an inch. It is so soft. All right, party people. It's time to go check out the Kentucky Adventure Tour. Still a little bit chilly. I'm pretty excited. This is the first time I've really done an adventure seeking tour on this bike. Okay, this is the start of the hard section, but I'm gonna have to cruise across this bridge. It's pretty stinking cool. Wow, check this old thing out. That's killer. I believe this is hard 3 on the Kentucky Adventure Tour. It looks just a little bit muddy, but better than I thought, better than the other trails I saw. All right. Gonna be a lot of surprise. I'm gonna do a lot of that today. Or I'm cruising along, I think it's good, and then whoa, deep mud. Oh yeah, this right here is what it's all about. I'm sure you can't tell, but that's probably about, I'm gonna say 200, maybe 150 feet. Pretty much straight down to the creek. Listen. Nothing. I'm the only one out here raising a ruckus. The S Tree Recreation Area, OHV. Renfro OHV route number 302, located on the London Ranger District, makes a loop south of S Tree Campground. The trail follows the ridge southeast of Forest Service Road 431 before dropping down a steep, rocky hill into Renfro Branch. The remaining part of the trail is a slow climb back to the campground.
I can't believe I didn't crash. That didn't make me any less tired. I think I'm gonna take a break right here. Looks like a pretty good spot. Party people, we are out here on Sheltowee Trace. This ain't no walk in the park. This is 100% off-road, harder than any BDR I've been on type of stuff. At least this time of year, you know, it's probably not so bad when it's dry out. Don't get distracted because these square edge angled every direction, big, little, small, medium, large rocks will jump right up and smack you in the face. You want to bring your side-by-side down here. Obviously this is the motorcycle only section of the g.o.a.t. They have four-wheel drive only sections and they combine them sometimes. I'll tell you, I'm glad I am going from south to north because going up that hill I just came down would have been something else. Woo! Yeah, that would have been a nice one. Oh, it's beautiful. Well, that was better than I thought. Woo! Holy smokes. Can't even stand up. Wow, that was treacherous. Man, this is not what I expected. This is some of the hardest stuff I've ever done on a dirt bike. I smell my clutch. Been down through there lately?
What's that?
You been down that way lately?
No, I haven't. It's been quite a few months since I've been out here.
You can make it. I'm not sure I'd turn around and go back.
Oh, really?
I mean, I made it up. So you can make it down. But there's 4 guys ahead of me going your way. So you'll run into them more than likely. Yeah. I mean, it's fun. Don't get me wrong. I'm sweating to death right now. Peace. This terrain is not for the faint at heart. And it may not be for the old fart. Oh man, I see pavement. Yeah, it's kind of bittersweet. This is awesome, but this is probably top 3 hardest things I've ever done on a motorcycle. It's funny, you come down here and you're like, man, I hope it's all off-road, all dirt. I just want to ride dirt. And then you get like 30 miles of dirt and you're like, whoop, man, the pavement be pretty sweet about now. Or even just some Forest Service roads like this. Something you can kind of blitz on. Well, it's a little confusing with all the little out routes. That was a straight up rock. I hope this is the right way. I was not expecting that. This stuff is for real. Alright, don't crash. Oh, check this out. Wow. It's like a little bridge. Oh, this is killer. It's like, pew, just a rock here. That is cool. Cool spot. Wow. Big old rock ledge down there. Just a friggin' rock wall. Oh, cool. We get to go down underneath that bridge. Sweet. Wow. Wow. This is awesome. How stinking cool. I'm down like 30 feet. That rock bridge that I went across is right there, and just did a big 180 down here. And now I get to ride like along the edge, like no one's been here. Like I hear nothing. I'm all by myself. There's a beautiful pond down here. This is a break spot if I ever saw one, but I just took a break, so we got to get cruising along if we want to get all this in today. Sally's holding up nice. Just crazy cool. Sally got a groove back. My trail is run out. I guess maybe, but man, that tree is gonna knock me out. Looks like somebody went this way. That looks slick, but at least you're not going to get knocked out by the tree. I don't even know where I am other than following this line. But this is pretty stinking sweet. These boys down in Kentucky, they're a different breed. No problem. Not many people go this way because there's not much of a trail. Got some sweet single track. Another one of those special drop-offs right here. Uh-oh. What's the plan here? Yeah, I missed something back here, hopefully, because I ain't going down that. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Bridge out. I forgot to turn it on, but you come down right there. Sweet little trail here. And that's, I reckon, if you just had some guts, I bet you some people just come right off of that. If I just had a dirt bike, I probably would. We're not off of this ridge yet. There's liable to be some more craziness. This is actually a pretty fun way to navigate through the woods. I mean, just look, if I didn't have this GPS, there's just absolutely no way. Whew. Bink. And then I'm going left. Another winner. Chicken dinner. I'm not going left, I'm going right. That back tire going flat. I can hear it leaking. Well, we got a flat. Gonna have to take the road back because it is already about 5 o'clock, I think. I still got 30 minutes of driving. I gotta wash the bike. So we're making a beeline to McKee, the car wash, and try to get back to the cabin before dark. Well, she's cleaner. Looks like the back tire still got air. Well, just like that, that's the end of day one. And it was a good one. I had a great time. I wish I didn't have the flat tire, but hey, get that out of the way. Tomorrow we'll get right back out there and try to get another 100 miles in. As for now, I noticed I need to tighten the chain and tighten some bags and then just kind of look over the bike before it gets dark. So I'm going to crash out here after that. Well, you know, I'll probably take a shower, get something to eat, and then I'm going to crash out, and we'll see you all in the morning, if not sooner.